75 international visitors from election management bodies of 23 countries have arrived in India to witness the Lok Sabha elections. The National Testing Agency is all set to conduct the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test (NEET) for admission to undergraduate medical programs tomorrow. India has said that online radicalization continues to pose a significant challenge to global security. High voltage campaigning underway for remaining phase of Lok Sabha election. Top leaders of major political parties leave no stone unturned to woo voters. In IPL cricket, Kolkata Knight Riders defeated the host Mumbai Indians by 24 runs in Mumbai last night.